Yo, dude, do you mind just turning it down just like a tiny bit?
Yeah.
Sorry, man. Yeah. It doesn't have to be off. Just yeah. Thanks. Oh, that's yeah. That's good, man. Thanks.
That's how I listen to it at night.
Oh, okay. Nice. Huh?
You want that orange?
Oh, that orange. Oh, sorry. No, I'm good. I was like, I thought you were like talking about your goggles. I was like, what? The orange? Like the thing? Yeah. I don't know. Anyway. You guys were just staring into infinity there for a little bit. Isn't that cool? Now, anyways, on to the actual stream, I guess. I just want to plug in my phone real quick so that I can actually see the chat this time, because last time I missed a bunch. Well, not a bunch. By a bunch, I mean one. But anyway, I've got a cable in here somewhere. Okie dokie. All right. Let's get cracking. Good start. Localhost refused to connect. Just kidding. It's because I haven't started my server. All right. Was that lame? Yeah, it was. I know it was. All about that cheese, man. All about that cheese and that lameness.
Cheddar.
That cheddar.
Cheddar.
Anyhow, let's see. Sarkdan websites. Sarkdan. Alrighty. And I do this out of habit, but really that's not going to tell me nothing. So let's just get cracking. Jekyll serve. Hey, one viewer, and they probably saw me say Jekyll serve. Like a, yeah. Anyways. I'll calm down.
You sure you don't just have your own thing open?
Like over here?
Yeah, you're your own viewer, you shitter.
No, I'm not. That's my recording thing.
Oh,
I don't even have it open this time.
that's crazy.
So there's actually a person. Hello. Anyways, on to this stuff. The thing we're gonna do today, I've got a list now. I'm very official. We're gonna finish the remainder of the quiz system for the landing page. All that's left is fixing the transition to the final panel and creating the share functionality for each role. Sounds like something that can be done. Alrighty, let's get at it. So first things first, probably just hack this so it goes right to the end, because I don't want to do the quiz a bazillion, thousand, million times. Nope, not there. So we want, yeah, okay, so there's two things, I guess. We got to build the functionality of the quiz, or not the quiz, sorry, derp. The functionality of the share panel, and also, what? Is it bad?
No, I'm just watching this.
Oh, okay. Anyways, and then also transition. Oh, there's the transition from the subscription panel to the final panel is a little jank, so I'm gonna try and fix that. But anyways, gives us something to go from. So yeah, first things first, let's just hack this a little bit so we don't have to click through the quiz a trillion times. So we want the active flag, which is on this one. Oops. But not anymore, sucker. Now it's on nothing, but it's going to be on a different one real quick. It's okay. You're officially in, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that was the share one, so let's throw it on that. We're going to change up this panel a fair bit, I feel like. Anyways, refresh that, and boom, freshly hacked. Look at that. All right, so now we're at the end. So yeah, if anybody wants to hack this thing, it would be like the easiest thing in the world. It's literally just changing some attributes around. But anyway, you know, have fun. Okay, so Yeah, you're officially a member. Share it with the world. You know, I was going to do an individual role thing, or an individual message for each role, but yeah, I guess that'd be cool, actually. I think that's worthwhile. That's worth doing. So yeah, okay, individual message for each role. So let's, you know, I'm just going to do the same thing I did in other panels. I'm just going to be lazy and throw a data attribute on this paragraph and make a few copies and just give them different keys and then hide and show what we need to show. That made sense, right? So let's go data quiz, role message. Apparently we already used that. Interesting. Role, I don't know, data quiz role, exit. No, share. Oh, social. Or share. I don't know, share. Let's just do share. That sounds cool. Oh, right. And we got to give it a key of, first one being prodev. Second one being artist. Third one being, oh man, what did I even call it? This is rough. Artist new dev, that's it. Oopsies. New dev. And player. Sorry guys, I don't even know the names of my own things. I'm just kind of tired. Anyway, we'll get there. So, ProDev says you're officially in. We'll be in touch soon. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about us and our vision for the world. Oh, that's kind of just like a generic message. I thought that was a different sort of thing. Oh, should I make a different panel then? Damn, hold on. I gotta think about this for one whole second. One whole second. I got water, I forgot, wow. Yeah. Anyways, okay. Do we just have this generic message, or this is just like a thank you message? This isn't even something you would share. That's what I want to have, is like a message you can share. So maybe this will be the same for everyone. And then underneath we could have like this in a little, yeah, we'll just make a little box for them or something. That'll be cool. So I guess let's just delete that. Delete that. Delete that. And cut that. And we'll just throw the generic paragraph right there, and that's quite happy just being a paragraph. Don't need any special attributes for that one. These ones though, we're gonna need something special, but first we're gonna have to put them in a box with a, no, don't do that. Bad. I'm probably gonna get some messed up markup here. Messed up markup, that could be a really nerdy band. Yeah, I feel like I'm doing something bad, but I just am too, I can't see it. Oh, there, now they'll show me the line. That's pretty much what I want. Okay, well, I'll just give it a try, see if it works. Anyways, so now, what will the ProDev say if for the share message? This is what they'll be sharing on social media, which, like, one person, but anyways, it'll be me. But what will I be sharing on social media for this? Just make up something. I don't know. This is the hard part. This is why I don't want to do this anymore, and I just want to make games. That's my dream. Am I sitting like... Huh? My forehead's out of the thing. Whoops. Okay, anyway. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. Okay, so ProDev says I lead Hackzord. I feel like there's a way cooler way to type this, but I'm bad, so whatever. I elite Hackzord my way. Nah, that's too much. I just signed. I just subscribed? No. Man, I think... Oh. I think I asked you this before, but do you think subscribe sounds better or membership? Members, okay, I did ask you. Right, nice. Okay, we're going with members. I just confirmed my membership. Nah, even that sounds a little too much. I don't know, man. I'm a dev and I like @Saracten. I don't know, man. I'm an artist and I like to art with... No, that sounds suggestive. I like to art with Saracten, yeah. And I like Saracten. They're all just going to say the same thing. They're all just going to say the same thing because I can't think of anything even slightly original right now. So I'm learning game development with Saracten. Sure, that sounds good. That one's actually all right, but anyways. Playing games with... No. I'm playing free games. Free open source games, yeah. From... Nah, these are all... Man, I hate this stuff. I want it to be over. I just want to have this mini project done and then I can make the games. That's what I really want to do. Anyways, I'm playing free open source games. Whatever, with Saracten. Sure, that sounds fine. We're playing games together. Why not? Maybe one day there will be a multiplayer game. That'd be sweet. That'd be real fun. I'd love to make a multiplayer game with the what's it called? This is gonna bug me.
I'd love to get in the circle before I die.
What's it called? 0 viewers. I went from 2 to 0. I typed in WE and it came up with a sex therapy website that...
All I heard was sex.
Yeah, it's a website that I worked on a little bit with work.
And all it is sex? What?
No, it's a live site. It's just like it's a like sex therapy site, but they've got a really nice website and we help them with it a little bit sometimes. But it's already live, so it's all good. Anyways, what am I looking for? Well, I was going on a rant about something, so it's definitely not important. So we're gonna call this div data. I don't know. Had 2 viewers though there for a minute. Hot second.
Sorry?
There were 2 viewers there for a minute.
Dope.
Yeah, dude, 2. No one in the chat though, unless like there was some and I missed it, but... Stream chat.
Hey, buddy. Oh, you went out. Shut up.
Anyways, done fiddling with my phone. Stop fiddling with your phone. Okay. This is, what would this panel be? This is like the share dialog, I guess. Data quiz share dialog. Okay, time to get some CSS up in here. Data share dialog. And we're gonna call this something. I was curious to see like if my stream had like died or something. I wouldn't be surprised though. Like, I don't know. This baby's getting kind of hot. Oh no, the chat shrunk. I'm gonna write something in the chat so it comes back. Come back, chat box.
Oh, we losing on this one.
There it is. Oh no. Is that right? Padding, box sizing, border box, padding 10 pixels, border, better make that like 20, border radius 30 pixels, background color is what number? Let's go with E. Background color E, bro. Anywho, that might be enough for something for now. No, I gotta make these disappear and then one of them appear magically. Oh, we gotta have one for none too. Forgot. I'm subscribe. Nope, I'm subscribed. There we go. Oh, but not player. We need that to be none. Alrighty, now we're good. Anyways, what is that? Oop. Data quiz, roll, blah blah. Oops, wrong one. Data quiz, share dialog, goddamn. Data quiz, share dialog. Okay. And the role, that's going to be a paragraph, so we'll just may as well specify, over specify. Yeah, right, display none. That's the important part. And then one of them will be selected and displayed. How about that? So I guess complete quiz. That's hiding the subscription panel and setting a timeout to show the share panel. So I guess we might as well show it, change the displays now. Fiddle with the share messages, whatever. All right. Time to fiddle with some share messages. So first up, we gotta grab the selected message, which will be, or let's call it role message. How about, that's better. role message equals document query selector document.query selector, and we want data. Oh, the thing, I just copied it, I think. Yeah. Equals. And in here, go like this, and we say chosen role. And now that we've got the role message, we just have to show it. Style.display equals, ooh, what would it be actually? If I just do initial, does that set it back to the original thingamajig? Maybe. Let's give that a shot. Oh, but I need to trigger that function to actually, so my hack's gonna be no good now. I'm sure there is another hack I could do to get this testing to be a little bit easier, but you know what? For now, I will optimize my testing on a later day. I'm sorry. So we want the introduction. Oh, whoops, that's the bar. Quiz start. There it is. Boom, active. Now let's blow through the quiz. Bam! I'm ready. I create artwork. I'm happy being a user. No, I'd rather be making artistic stuff. Sure. You're an artist with, you also showed interest in the blah blah and the blah blah. Cool. Sounds like that.
81 with 4%, baby.
Nice. Oh, I shouldn't be itching with a microphone right there. That probably sounds bad.
Maybe that's the cracking.
Oh, could you imagine? It's just me every time. Anyways, let's do that. Mr. Josh McGurbinsberg. jmoney at McGurbinsberg.ca. Obviously really important that I spell this right because it's totally a real email. October 2nd. Get started. And subscribe. Boom. So there was that little bit of jank. I don't know if you noticed that, but that's the second thing we gotta fix. How long we've been going for 23 minutes. Whoa. Oh, yeah, right. I just got an email because I just signed up for my own thing. Doi.
We got the advantage.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna listen to music. Can you tell me if I'm like yelling?
What?
Like if I'm talking too loud, can you tell me? Because I'm gonna listen. Jesus. Because I'm gonna listen to music.
Okay.
All right. Music going. We're good to go. Sorry, no music for you guys though. I gotta figure out something to do with that. That'd make it better if you guys had music, I think. Alrighty. Okay, so that positioning's probably fine. I just want to see what happens if we throw margin bottom auto on that. Whoa, it pushes everything up. Okay. So then I guess on the paragraph we have to say margin top auto. Nope. Nope. Yeah, there we go. So now they're kind of centered together. Or they are. Yeah, they are. Because that would be, I guess, the middle of them? I don't know. That's cool though. I like that. And then we could have a link down here. Great. So let's do that. So we need to target that, whoops, wrong way. That P. Not that P. Oh, great. This might be a little bit more annoying now that there's lots of P's. Lots of peas in a pod. Yeah. I'm about that cheese. Quiz panel. We'll go to the last one. That's probably going to take us where we want. Oops. Was I just entering a bunch of stuff? Whatever. There we go. Look at that. Okay, anyways. Alrighty. Just a class, I guess? Sure, that'll work. Just primary, whatever. And, oh, unless that's going to give it styling, I bet maybe it will. Oh, and I have to go all the way through the test again. That's a bummer. You know, I'm just gonna... There's got to be a better way to test this. Yes. Sure. Okay. Sorry, viewer. This is a real bummer. This testing takes too long. Anyways, this is the... Oh! Yes, I know how I can test it way faster. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now before I forget. Alright, chosen role. Where are we defining that? Chosen role. So let's just say right down here, chosen role. And we'll say, let's say we're always going to be an artist. How about that? So we're always going to be an artist, and write to do remove debugging. All right. Anyways, okay. So now next step in our hacky cheaty test is just simply no, would that work? No, that wouldn't work. Damn it. I made this too dumb. Too dumb. Ladies and gentlemen, lady or gentleman or whatever, whatever. Man, this is bad. I just, my code's getting out of hand here. I've got way too many functions and like they all do different things and just send you different places and make different stuff. Yeah, anyway. Okay, so we're not initting the quiz, we're not giving a point, we are showing results? No. We're not answering a question, we're not choosing, we are random quote and subscription. So we got to deal with the quotes now too. Alright, that's cool. Okay, so it takes it off the quote panel, sends it to, config and show subscription. That's what we want. How about we just do that? Boom. And now we have it. Cool. Config and show subscription. There it is. So now, okay, so yeah, I could just, that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, I still need that variable to be defaulted to a role first. Got to have that in there if this testing thing's going to work. And right, init quiz, that's where we're going to change it. Nope. Yes. Yes. Is it putting a timeout on that, or is it just doing it instantly? Ah, it's doing it instantly. Perfect. Okay. Config and show subscription right there. Oops, I should probably not just delete that though. That'd be smart. Comment that out. Now config and show subscription. Boom. Money. Just kidding though. Okay. Yeah, and I don't even have to change anything here, except maybe I already did, which is the active panel. Show me the active panel. No, it's the first one. Cool. Okay. So yeah, just have to push that button and it should skip me right to the end. Let's give that a go. Boom. And whoa. Whoa, it wasn't happy about that, but I mean, you know, whatever, it works. Oh, it's because I'm not taking the done panel, or I don't know. Oh man, that's really messed up actually. I broke something pretty bad.
Oh, you're bad now.
Huh?
What?
I know, I am bad. No, it's okay. I was just trying to test something in a faster way, but yeah, you know what?
Unscrew that pooch.
I did screw the pooch. You know what? I'm just gonna back right out of this and...
Let's play a game.
Huh?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just...
Oh, sorry.
Nope.
Okay.
It's,
Cool. You know what? Yes,
right
fine.
there.
We're just
Oh,
gonna...
that's sick.
We're just gonna test it the hard way. I'm sorry, viewer. If you're the same viewer who's stuck with us for like the thing, that's...
You're a hero.
You are a hero. Yes. Good choice of word. For playing games, tech, I eat code for breakfast. Hell yeah, boy. You're a pro developer or a gamer? Let's be a gamer. And would you contribute? Sure. Nice message from the peoples, from the famous peoples.
Saved your life. Boom.
Gotta have those messages from the famous peoples.
Oh,
And bam. All right.
oh, saved your life. My own life.
Gamer guy.
They
50,
keep coming
80,
in.
100. I hope this isn't going to like encourage people to sign up on my website with like 1 million fake emails. Probably will though if anybody actually watches it. Well, a few people have watched it. We're back to 0 though, so pressure's off. Say whatever you want. Just kidding, don't. Because it's going to be a recording later. Okay, anyways. Bloop 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 at bloop 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 dot bloop bloop. January 1st sounds good. Boom. Subscribed. You're now a member. Oh, I didn't change any of the styling. I'm bad. Wow, did I really just... Yes, I just tested everything for no changing. I didn't change. What?
The tomato shouting.
Are you a tomato person?
Yeah. Tomatoes versus ham.
Nice. Quiz panel, last one. And complete share. Quiz panel, complete share. Oh right, I had to confirm if that actually didn't put any styling on, and it did. Or that's just every paragraph apparently. Oh no, every paragraph in the quiz panel. Interesting. Whatever, it's fine. It looks alright. And we want to put margin top, auto, and we want to give the share dialog a margin bottom auto. Then they'll push into each other and it will be lovely. Wait, why would I not just make it go to the very last screen while we're testing? I can do that somehow, I'm sure. I feel like this is the rabbit hole I just went down, but I'm gonna go for it one more time because this is... I'm just gonna close up all my functions. Yeah, submit subscription form right there. So, oh no. Because I gotta sign up with something. Ugh. Or is there a... Oh, complete quiz. Yes. Complete quiz. Chosen role. Nice. Doop doop. Init quiz. There you go. Remove active, add done. Not update that. Oops. Wow. Way to copy the whole function. How did I do that? Anyways, complete quiz. Let's say chosen role equals artist. We'll just do it there this time. To do remove debugging stuff.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
There's 6 people watching. There could be a children. Sorry.
A children?
A children. Hey, they're sending some viewers your way. Jitspo. Hey, nice. Thanks, man. Thank you, Jitspo, for sending viewers our way. That's cool. I don't know how you did that. That's magical, but thank you. Yeah, I guess I should probably step it up a notch. Whoops. Anyways, I was just making it a little bit faster for our testing because our testing was getting out of hand. So chosen role right there, and it's to null, cool, and then we change it to artist down here and we complete the quiz. So hopefully this will work and not explode like the last time I tested this kind of thing. I'm like pointing at the camera down there, but that's my phone, that camera. Okay, I'm ready. Does it explode? Yeah, kinda. Damn it, why is it still exploding? What is that panel? Probably can't even select it because this one's in the way. Oh, I could do something about that though, can't I? Whoa. Okay. Oh, sorry, yeah. Sorry everybody, I gotta be a little bit on the quieter side. That's good? Okay, cool. Good. This is good apparently. Anyways, right. What are we working on tonight? We are working on this super broken quiz. It's just broken because I'm trying to make it a little bit quicker to test because going through the entire quiz every single time gets a little tedious. Twitch has a /raid command that sends all viewers from your stream to someone else's channel. Oh, crazy. I try to raid someone every night, sharing the game to have love. Wow, thanks man, thanks Jitspo. I hope I'm saying that right, Jitspo. That's awesome, thank you very much. Anyways, so yeah, yes, let's figure out what this panel that isn't disappearing is, select it, make it disappear, and then we can test fast. Display none on that one, and finally, who are you? Reveal yourself. Oh, are you? It's a question. Oh, maybe because I'm initting the quiz? Yeah, probably. Oh, I'm putting it in the wrong place. I'm silly. Doop. Zoop. Snatch that. And not activate random unanswered. We want to say, we can do this anywhere, so that doesn't matter. Chosen role equals artist. Oops, sorry. Artist and artist. No, that's not what I should be writing. To do remove debug. Okay, cool. Now we get down here and I can't remember the name of the function, so complete quiz. Boom, there we go. And that ought to do it. Except again, I shouldn't just delete that. I should comment it out because then otherwise I'll forget what it was and it'll take me a million years to rebuild it. Alright. Let's
reach over and grab my power cord for my
yeah. Oh yeah, go for it. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not yours.
Alright. Oh yay! Took us to the end finally. Alright. We have a successful speed testing setup going. Little okay, sorry. I'm like a cat. I'm like a cat or a seagull. Alright. You need all your stuff. Going hard. All right, cool. So I guess the next thing to do is to actually wire up these social buttons. That ought to be kind of fun. Get to figure out how each web whatever works. I'm hoping it's just like a form you submit to or something. That'd be cool, but we'll see. Figure out how it goes. I have no idea.
Oh, actually, holy crap! I just found old games.
Oh, cool. What kind of games?
Xbox 360 Fable 2, Dead Island, and Assassin's Creed Black Flag.
Right on.
Dude, I haven't played Black Flag in so long.
Huh, cool. Is that the one with pirates? Or
Yeah.
kinda?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. That's cool. Alright, so data quiz, share, Facebook. Cool. So no, let's do Facebook first, I guess. Might as well just do them in order. So that, yeah, we get to make another function. Guys, can you tell I like making functions yet? Alright. Yeah. Okay. Oops, I didn't put a semicolon. Not that it really matters, but I think it matters. So anyways, let's...
Xbox 360 should play on the Xbox One, right?
Probably. I would think so. I would hope so. Okay. Anywho, let's get it. So let's say... actually, let's just... You know what? Let's look up how this actually works before I start building anything. Facebook generic share dialog? I don't know. Join me now, viewers, for some extensive Googling. Share dialog? I mean, looks promising. Share on... That's pretty much what I'm looking for. Oh, native mobile apps. So, nope. Let's say web share. Oh, what that looked like JavaScript-y, though. Oh, maybe it's... Oh, yeah. Facebook SDK for JavaScript. Try it yourself. Run code. Okay, where's the thing? Run code. Oh, really? Is it actually bad? Does it not work? How does it... Okay, whatever. You lost me, Facebook. I'm sorry. So presumably you need a library for that. I'm looking for like a API endpoint or something that I can open my own window to. You know what I mean? Oh, cool. I'm saying it correctly. Sorry, I keep forgetting the chats here, kinda. So I try to raid someone every night sharing... Oh yeah, I read that. Cool. Doesn't look like your chat is updating. Oh, really? On the video? Is it not? Oh. It's probably just a little slow. Is that living dangerously? I've never... This is like literally the third time I've done this in my whole life, so I really don't know what I'm doing. That's weird that I'm looking at my phone and having a conversation with yes, I figured it would probably be slow. It's slow. I think there's some lag going on, but I'll try to optimize it, but I am on a laptop, so that could be part of it too.
Do you like almonds?
Do I like almonds?
Yeah.
I do.
Sweet.
Oh, that's what I'm looking for, I think. Kinda.
Protein for you.
Oh, nice. Thanks, man. Cool.
Protein.
Yeah. Although, you know what? If I'm eating nuts, that's probably not very nice for them. Now that I think about it, like right here.
For the mic, huh?
Yeah.
It's just a net.
Yeah, it's all good. Oh, you are a redirection? That looks... maybe. So I'd very much like to just create my own pop-up box. Oh, but then I wonder if it's going to get blocked by pop-up blockers. I bet you it will. As soon as you went to OBS, it updated. Seems to only update when OBS is showing. Oh, really? So did it update just then? Or is it just really slow? Because I think it was working kind of okay in the last one. But yeah, anyways, thanks for letting me know. I much appreciated. all the feedback I can get is awesome. Any feedback. I'm just gonna see what this looks like. Error, oh no. Display must be one of the following values. Yeah, I have no idea what that means. Okay, I'm just gonna, where's Stack Overflow? Tell me the way, Stack Overflow. Facebook share button and custom text, sure, why not? Oh, sharer, see, I knew there was a URL. Stack Overflow, you never let me down. Well, you never let me down, but you make me absolutely seething with fury sometimes. I mean, that's also a thing, but anyway, not important. Whoops. For anyone just joining us, we're working on a quiz system, but that's actually mostly done. So we're kind of working on a share dialogue right now, just like a straight up web, simple share dialogue. Gotta grab some food. Good luck with your project. Thanks very much. Enjoy your food. Alrighty, so open Facebook, share. Can you can you use JavaScript to open a new window or a new tab? Because maybe I could just do that for all the share dialogues. I mean, it's not really the best user experience, but like it would be functional, I think. I imagine all those pages are mobile optimized. So like if I go to this, oh, you must log in to continue. I don't want to log in with Facebook on a live stream. Good Lord. Are y'all gonna steal my password? There's 9 of you now. One of you could be Mr. Robot. I don't trust it. Whatever, I'll come back to it. I'll type it real fast or something, or I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, let's just see if we can open a window. Open new tab, JavaScript. So apparently this is dangerous, is searching things, random things on the internet. But I feel like I've got this down to kind of a science now. You gotta, right? Like you gotta be able to Google everything and anything, you know, like it's just like, it's the skill of the future. Feel free to quote me on that. CSS, oh wow, nothing an author can do can choose to open in a new tab of a new window. Wow. It is a user preference. No kidding. That's funny. I wouldn't have guessed. Oh, although then this person just said this works and focus. Huh. Yeah, okay, sure. Let's just try it. Oh, except I'm silly and I just get it back. There it is. Bloop. You know what? Now it's going to be all webified, isn't it? Can I? Oh, nice. I didn't even close the tab. Yeah. All right, grab that URL real quick and hop back on over to the code. We'll just define URL because might as well. I don't know. Why not? All right, var URL equals that. Window.open, URL, and apparently target is blank, and window focus. Cool. Oh, except, no, that's bad. Do they just have like a straight up mistake? Or did they name it win? Hang on. Hold on, this is getting fishy. I gotta return to the thread. Yes, they did have a var win equals that. So, okay, I'm silly and I didn't copy the whole thing. I thought that was probably the case. All right, so we got our window, and now we just have to say so title equals your title, your summary, your URL, your image to share object. Very cool. That's actually rad. So I guess let's define all those things, shall we? So title equals, oh right, now this is the part where I have to, you know what, I'm not even gonna bother. I'm just gonna, wait, I have a thing for this. I already wrote this. or part of it? Okay, sure. Document.query selector p what did I call them? Quiz role share. Data quiz role share. Let's just take that, put that there. Data quiz role share, and we're gonna throw a not on here. Not. Ooh. Oh no, hold on. It would be what? Oh man. It's just going to be display whatever. It's not even going to be... Shoot. That's actually a little bit trickier. Why don't we just give it a class? That makes it life easier. Alright. So now we have to update that up here. Where would that be? Submit. That would be in complete quiz. So instead of display initial, we're going to say role message dot class list dot add active. And now in landing.css, we will bring up you, say active, and suddenly you display what you were in the first place. Cool. Done. So now for our share function, let's see. Okay, for our share function, we're gonna have, let's see. I was joking mostly. Regular searches are mostly safe. Image searches can give you interesting results. It's only dangerous if your search suggestions start autofilling with adult/porn. Yeah, right. I could see that being a problem. Or if your Chrome new landing page. Yeah, of course. Just like classics. Yeah, that would be funny actually. All right. Anyway, so now we can throw in the title right here. Bam. And we'll say title. Maybe share title. I really like my variables to be specific. I think I take it a little too far sometimes, but whatever. I don't know. Okay, and summary is, Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Share summary equals. Now, if you guys are awesome, like ES6 coders of the future, I do enjoy that world as well, I have to say. I'm a big fan of React and how you can use ES6 plus JavaScript in React, which is awesome. However, for my own project, this is very much, if you haven't seen anything else that I've done, this is very much, well, sorry, let me back up. If you're just joining us for the first time, this is very much a, what's the word I'm looking for? Trivial, yeah, kind of trivial project. It's a that's not really the one I'm going for though. Oh, this is a rapid prototype is what this is. So hence I mean, really, if I was smart, I probably would have like set it up with Webpack and everything, but this is an old site that I set up with Jekyll ages ago, although I actually do really like Jekyll. Anyways, not the point. We're getting off topic. We're going a little off the rails. So chosen role. So case, first one would be prodev, not dev, prodev. So if it's a prodev, share summary will say, oops, we don't want that to be the element, we want that to be the element's inner HTML. And we want the share summary to be, for prodev, what would they like to say? I don't know. I just confirmed my membership with, or on Eric Dan's website. I don't know. If you're just joining us, you should all know that I am not the one for writing this markety copy stuff. It's really not my strong suit. Just checking the chat, make sure I'm not missing anything. So yeah, pro dev, and then the next one would be artist, and the share summary will say, I mean, you know what? For now, it's just going to say the same thing for everybody. I'm sorry, everybody. Yoink. Boom, bam. But damn. Okay, share summary. I wasn't expecting a summary, okay? Share summary. URL. Well, that one's easy. That's what the site actually looks like in production right now, but it's this is all going to be different. This is all going to be a landing page of sorts with a video and all kinds of cool stuff. Anywho, share summary and URL, right? Let's just put it in a variable just so we're being consistent. Share URL, shell URL, and sure, I guess you just do the whole HTTPS and everything. I don't really know what format it's expecting, but here we go. You never know until you try. And what images? 0 equals your image to share object. Oh man, you get to put an image in? Jeez, I'm wildly underprepared for this. Image. Actually, I know. I got it. I got it. What's the placeholder cat's website? Place Kitten. Here we go. So for those of you who don't know, Place Kitten is a wonderful service that you can send a request to of any dimensions you want, two-dimensional dimensions, yeah, anyways, any dimensions you want, and it will send you a image of a cat of those dimensions, and then it's the size that you requested. It's wonderful. It's the best thing for building sites, really. So how big, what do I want? What are the, oh, there's probably like recommended sizes for all this stuff, and God, why is social media complicated? Okay, what are we looking for? I guess share.php, image, yeah, size, that's what we want. Use images that are at least that, really? Damn. Okay. This is going to be the picture that shows up when they share the link. Oh, what? Why is, oh, because I pushed the wrong button. Good lord. Oh, must have pushed it there too. And look at that. You now have a 1200 by 630 cat. See, put any size image into this thing, any size you want. So like 500 by 500 would be a square, and you get a cat picture with, and it's a random cat picture. All the pictures are different. Well, kinda. I think they repeat them after a while, but still, it's rad. Yeah, so I'm using it for my share dialogue. Why not, right? Oh, damn, we're already at an hour? Whoa, I might have to speed things up a little bit here.
Take your time, bro. People stream for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours.
Really? Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Remember 24-hour streamer?
Oh, right, yeah, that guy. You're right. He streamed for 24 hours, and like more than once. That's a lot, man. Although that would actually be kind of fun if you just like streamed an entire day. But like, imagine how big that file would be.
Big
Anyways,
rig then.
sorry?
Got a big computer rig I guess.
Oh yeah, probably. There we go. Place kitten to the rescue. Oops. I guess we can just go like that, can't we? Plus share image. Oh, bam. All right, now time to test it out. Oh, we gotta add a new event. How exciting. All right. Do I add one event to all of them, or do I just bind to them individually? I'm doing separate functions, and yeah. What's the markup look like? Quiz share. No, I'm passing in a parameter. Okay, no, we'll just bind to it once or all of them and do the thing, and it'll be fine. And reset form length on. Okay, sure. Let's add a comment so I actually can have a tiny bit of sanity in all this chaos. So, what are we doing? We are binding social media buttons to their respective functions. Document dot, oops, not capital, query selector all, oops, easy, data, what, something, 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 quiz share, data quiz share. This must have been one of the very first buttons I made because it's like the simplest. They just get more and more complicated. Dot for each function button. And right there in our for each loop, we are going to say button, oopsie daisies, button dot add event listener and a click event. And where are we going to be sending that? Let's say, oh, let's give it a cool name. How about social dispatch? Sure. Or social dispatch. Yeah, social dispatch. Pretend like we're in Redux, except totally not. I feel like the people who made Redux would look at this code and be like, okay. Anyways. So we're going to say social dispatch. Oops, not social. Social dispatch equals function. Function. Though I don't, we won't have a default to prevent, so we're good. Okay, social dispatch. You are just going to be a switch statement. Oh. No, we will need E because we need to know, yeah, so E would be the button, right? The current target, I think. So we'll say var button equals E dot current target. And then we'll say button, oops, no, var, social outlet equals button dot get attribute, and that attribute is the one that we bound to in the first place. So data quiz share right there, quiz share, cool. All right, now we got that attribute. Can move right along to another switch statement. Social, no, not social dispatch this time, social outlet. Yeah, all these social terms. It's like it's social studies. Except I really hope not, because I was terrible in social studies. I pretty well just slept, which is like, I just am so mad at myself in retrospect because I know nothing about history.
Sure.
I know. It's bad. I really know nothing. It's like people ask me about my own country and I'm kind of like,
Yeah, same here.
I can tell you how to make like messy JavaScript. Anywho, so first one will be Facebook. And what are we going to do? We're just going to run that Facebook function. Oops. Oh, I could even make this like an object. That'd be cool. Should I do that? No, whatever. Just making things more complicated than they need to be. Don't mind me. Ugh. Okay. So seeing as that's the only function we actually have for now, that's going to be the only one that will work. And the default will just do nothing. Cool. Yeah, I think we're good. Cat. I forgot about that already. Okay, keep our Stack Overflow stuff open because you never know when it's going to come in handy. And by never know, I mean like basically it always comes in handy. And Facebook, boom! And look, it opened it in a new window and everything. It did exactly what we wanted. Oh, damn, I should have got more water. Going for an hour and 6 minutes. Wow, that's quite a long time. I guess I have to log in to continue. Can I type? Nope. Of course not. Why would that work? Oh. Damn. Okay. Well, I guess I can enter my super old email address and hope that none of you guys are hackers and change my password right after this stream, but anyways, whatever. I'm just maybe a little paranoid. Yes, this is for sure the email that I signed up for Facebook with. Laugh as hard as you want. It is true. I was the true Zelda fan. I will have no bones about it. Anyways. Okay, I'm going to type this real fast and I'm going to hope that you guys... I mean, you can pause a video, so what does it matter? Bam. Okay. Long enough. Hey, look at that. We got a real share dialog. How cool is that? Now, do I dare to try and open it in a pop-up? That's the real question, isn't it? Let's just close that and try it again right from the start. And boom, look at that. Logged in as me, and... Oh, it's kind of sharing the wrong thing, though. Oh yeah, what? It didn't use any of the data. It's just sharing the link. Oh, well that's... Wow. Thanks, Facebook. Okay, so I guess that's out. Those are out. Title, summary, URL, and P URL? Oh, I see, parameter URL. Oh, I gotcha, Facebook. And P URL is that. And can I just not have that? Can I just say, if there's no size, will it just take up the whole screen? Because that's kind of what I was hoping for. And no image, because apparently that doesn't show up either, which is a damn shame. I thought that would have been funny. Have a picture of cats show up for my website. Oh well, I guess it wasn't meant to be. Now I saved it. Oh right, but we've got our quick testing fix already, so we don't have to go do the whole quiz. Keep forgetting. Alright, cool. Boom, share. And yeah, now it's just got the URL, so I mean, yeah, sure. That's fine. It'll just share the link. I guess it doesn't need to say anything. Oh, so then I guess I don't need those messages. Oh, wow. Sorry, guys. This whole last, I don't even know, 30 minutes at least, or 45 or something. This has just been an exercise in futility. I do apologize. So seeing as I'm just sharing links, I don't really need this special messaging anymore. Wow. Is there really, are those just like old parameters or something? Like, is there really no share, share.php parameters 2018. Even though it's 2019, we're only just into 2019, so, you know, I feel like we won't have the answer to this solution in 2019 yet. Am I wrong? 2014, bam. Looks like Facebook disabled passing parameters to the sharer. Oh, so wait, do I not even have to pass the URL? Can I just like send me and it'll just know where I came from? That'd be cool. Just try that real quick. I'm just curious. Oop, nope. Oh, but shared localhost, so kinda, yeah, it did work actually. Well, I'll just leave the URL. Can't hurt, right? And I obviously picked it up because it didn't show localhost, it showed Seriktan, so yeah, that's gotta be a thing. Alright, fine. URL works, nothing else seems to, but that's fine. Still something. But I guess, yeah, whatever, just, you know what, it's fine. Just delete all your logic, be sad, and then carry on. So, fiddle with the role messages, that's exactly what we don't need anymore. Role message. I was somewhere else, oh, what am I doing? Search. Role message. It's a different role message, I do believe. Results, display, oh no, that's it, okay. Fine. I won't look for role message anymore, but God, I'm so lost. Okay. Quiz complete. Share. No, what am I doing? Good Lord. Let's just Control Z and see what I just did. Fiddle with the share messages. Right. Quiz role share. That's what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, that's where I was using it. Okay, so it's already commented out, so whatever, it's fine. So no showing paragraphs, no paragraphs to show. And now we're sad and it's fine. Huh? Are you going down there? Huh? Are you going to the kitchen?
No.
Okay.
Of course.
Alrighty. To business. And look at that. Look at it, still looks nice, I guess. I think I'm going to style the buttons a little bit differently though, so why don't we do that right now? I feel like doing a little bit of styling. CSS is always the best, right? Every hardcore programmer in the world is like, dies a little inside and says, no, CSS is not the best. I think CSS is the best.
What?
Nothing, I'm just whispering intimately to my 6 viewers. Alright, so what do we just, we deleted those paragraphs, right, okay. So you're officially in. Yeah, that's fine. I don't think it actually needs a message to share on Facebook. It's just, you're just sharing the thing, right? Just sharing a link, that's all it is. Anyways, buttons, that's what I was doing. Making them look cool. Do we want to, which way do we want to target them? This way, why not?
Straight to it.
I think I pressed enter about 1,000 times there. Okay, bam, share. Time is it? 10:43, not bad. It's not as late as I thought. Alright, did a quiz share button. Cool, so let's make, oh, I must have already been styling them from somewhere. Herp de derp. Herp diddly derp. There we go. FFF, FFF. Except white would be too much. No, yeah, that's too much. So, what if I did black? This is probably not going to look good, but I just want to try it. I just want to see. Background color, not transparent. RGBA, 255, 255, 255, 0.5. Alright, see how this looks, because this should, if we're lucky, this could save the day. The styling day. Hey, yo, not bad. I like it. Also, part of me kind of wants to make these circles. Would that be cool? I don't know. This is where it goes off the rails, because I just start playing with styles and then we never get to anywhere. It's fine. It's fine. Another height, also 80. And border radius, where are you at? 30 pixels and not anymore, 100%. Yeah, that looks cooler. And I could add more too. But I don't want it right now because I still gotta code all those suckers. And we're already over an hour. But Kelly's told me not to worry about that. And he is wise sometimes. Just kidding. All the time. And so get rid of the padding and the width and the height and all that fun stuff. And yeah. Ba-bam. Ba-bam. Padding. Ba-bam. And cool. Line height for good measure, why not? Height. Also 80 pixels, so that should vertically center it. If you guys didn't know, that's a pretty awesome trick. You can vertically center stuff by using line height as long as it's only single line stuff. If it's multi-line, doesn't work, but if it's single line, it'll vertically center it for you. Fun fact. So like text and stuff for logos works really well. Anywho, also we want text align center. That should really, truly put everything in the center. Let's have a look. Bam. Cool. Yeah, I like them. I think that looks better. All right. Anyways, enough CSS. We're losing people. That's funny. I switch over and start doing CSS and people are like, nah, out. All right. So, apologies for this, viewers. I get brutally dry hands, so I have to have this constant tub of moisturizer everywhere I go. Don't worry about it. Alright. Alright. So next up, Twitter. We got Facebook working. Now it's time for some tweeters. Some tweeters. Roll up our sleeves and get this done, son. And by get it done, I mean to Google. So Twitter, generic share URL. That's probably a better thing to do. Summary card, share link generator. Oh, really? That's a great idea for a website. So just share the website, I guess, on Twitter? I don't know, this is hard. Create link. Oh, that's super easy. Thank you, Twitter. Twitter knows what's up. So then this function is basically the same, except it's just a different URL. Okay, I could... yeah, okay, I'm gonna be good. Let's just... Yeah, let's just take this function apart. Put that there. Except actually, yeah, whatever. There's fine for now. Cut that out. We'll go like that. Oops. Why the double quotation marks? Ah, and they both delete. That's great. Thanks, Visual Studio. Oh, we don't need that. Do need that. Cool. Oh, but we need to assign it to something. That'd probably help. Don't worry about it. I'm a professional. All right, so URL start is an empty string with a 1 semicolon. And share URL is that. Boop-a-de-doop. And case Twitter, Twitter. Oh, good lord. Stay tuned. You 4 viewers are heroes, honestly. If you can bear with me through all this website stuff, we're gonna eventually be getting into games, and I promise you that will be a lot more fun. So status equals. So now this is the thing, is Twitter we can actually give a message to. We can't with Facebook, but we can with Twitter. And then I already deleted all that stuff. So, okay, no, Twitter's just getting the link. I don't care. You can write whatever you want about it. This is the worst website in the world. Share URL, boom. So, okay. Hadoop. Just placeholder, don't worry about it. Alrighty. Tumblr is the last one. That's what I meant by Hadoop. Tumblr. So hopefully Tumblr's got one. I've honestly never checked, but I like to think that they probably have some sort of share URL, right? Wow, is Facebook's one really HTTP? I'm just gonna change that to S for them and hope that it works. Alright. Bam. Cool. So now we can ditch that function altogether, and look, now we've just got one function. That's way cooler. Alright. Now we gotta actually test it for Twitter, make sure it works. And that I didn't break Facebook. Oh, Google Plus has one? I mean, does anyone really use Google Plus? Question for the 6 viewers. Shouldn't look at my phone. Question for the 6 viewers. Do any of you guys use Google Plus? And if so, what is good about it? Why do you like it? If you are on the chat, please enter in the chat. If not, no big deal. I would just be very curious to know, because if any of you actually are using Google Plus, like, for real, pipe up, because I've never met, that's not true. I think I've met 2 people who use Google Plus, but I don't talk to them very much anymore, so I don't know how I could interview them about it. Anyways, so yeah, Facebook, make sure that's not broken, and it's not good. HTTPS works. That would be a bummer if it didn't. Twitter, log in for everything. Oh, right, because I just reinstalled my thing. So I'm just going to log into all my stuff on this live stream. Is that really how this is going to go? Well, I don't even know my Twitter password anyway, so okay, fine. But it took me to Twitter, so I'm assuming it kind of worked. I'll test it on my phone later, don't worry about it. Actually, you know what? I'll test it on my phone right now. Inspect devices. Doop-de-lee-doop-doop. Oh, right. Gotta open Chrome. Okay, be right back, chat. Oh, Google Plus is being shut down. It's pointless to use or support it. Good to know. Thank you, Rythal. Oops. All right. Oh, right. I guess you guys can't see my phone screen, can you? Right. I'm just like sitting here like, don't worry, you guys can see everything I see. That's not accurate, though. You see everything that's on my computer screen. And then also me out the camera. Weird. I'm going to localhost 4000/learn, blah, blah, blah. Open the thing, go to the end. Oh, they're all stretchy on that. That's annoying. Okay, so I gotta fix some mobile size on this for sure. Just see if Twitter works though. Oh, and it does. Look at that. Yeah, that's perfect. Just leave a link in the tweet. Let them write something about it themselves. Perf. Whoa. Okay, so the share is real bad on mobile. Come on, Facebook. Why can't you, like, take a leaf out of Twitter's book and just make it open your app? Anyway, sorry, I'm probably losing a bunch of you because you can't see anything that I'm doing. Sorry about that, everybody. So, I guess we don't really need that anymore. Anyways, whatever, let's just complete the circle. Tumblr share URL. Tumblr share URL, Stack Overflow. Thank you, Stack Overflow. Oops, it looks like they already got it. Share/link. Oh, you can share different types of stuff on the Tumblr one. That's cool. See, Tumblr's got it better than Facebook too. Come on, Facebook. So, as with most share services, URL should be passed as an encoded string. Oh, maybe I should be doing that, or unless the browser does it automatically, I have no idea. Anybody out there, a fellow coder, who knows if in 2019, do browsers do that for you? Do they encode the strings for you? I don't know. I feel like a noob, I should know that. But anyway. Point is, we got the Tumblr URL. Bam. Again, HTTP, not allowed. Sorry, guys. 2019, I gotta be the HTTP police on you. The HTTP police, that's a show I would watch. That's a show I would watch. I keep looking at my phone anytime I talk to you guys because I think you're in my phone, but you're not in my phone. Good Lord. All right. And we just want to tack on the share URL onto the end of that, and we should, in theory, be golden. Let's give it a good test. Find your blah blah blah. I'm ready, let's do it. Tumblr, take me away. Well, I got a login screen, that's promising, and a redirect too. Nice, okay, well, yeah, you know what? I'm happy with that. I think that's good. Also, why can Tumblr show Pokemon on their right on their homepage and not get in trouble for it? Like, I don't get that. Oh man, you guys are right. The chat does only update when I go over to it. That's weird and annoying. Wonder why it's like that. Well, anyways. I'll have to like get another monitor or something so I can have it open all the time on one screen maybe. If that's like a thing I can do, I don't know. I hope so. Anyways. Yes, other people have figured it out, right? So how hard can it be? Everything's been done before. There's no original crime, says Sherlock Holmes, and it's totes true. Alright, anywho. Oh right, we gotta make these not squish on mobile, and I think I know what that's about because I'm using Flexbox. And things tend to flex when you use Flexbox. Not in the cool thuggin' way, but in like the they actually bend way. So let's just say flex 1, maybe? Oh, it didn't work, darn. That was my one shot, really. Oh, I guess the width, flex basis perhaps? Kind of a guessing game with Flexbox and me right now, you guys. I do apologize for that. No, that gets squished too. Oh, flex grow, flex shrink 0. That's what we want. Haha. Oh, but yes, now that's too big. Flex shrink 0. So I guess what? Just reduce the margin. That seems like the obvious solution. Just make that like even a little less, like doop, 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 doop. 8, sure. That ought to do the trick. Or, oh, I am, nah, whatever. I'm not even gonna get into it. It doesn't need to be this complicated. I'm just styling some buttons, don't worry about it. So 8 pixel margin and flex shrink 0. That was the only important stuff we added, I believe. I do declare. So I don't know, right at the bottom, why not shrink 0 and what's the other thing? Already forgotten. Margin 8. That's what we want. So there. Now it should, when we refresh, be fine on a very tall mobile phone. Cool. And stretch it all the way out. It should look the exact same on a big thing. On a big old thing. Let's have a look. I'm ready. Let's do it. Yeah, I mean, it would be, I could add a media query and like space them out a little more on desktop, but you know, honestly, I can't be bothered. And plus I might add more in the future. So, you know, oh, that's what we should put on the thing is flex wrap, because then they can, the buttons can wrap. So that seems like a good idea. Share panel, that's the one. Flex wrap, wrap. So I'm curious, viewers, okay, not looking at my phone, curious viewers, do any of you, like, on a scale of, like, this is awesome to, like, I hate everything about this, where do you guys sit on CSS, like, on a 1 to 10 of those two? I'm just curious, because, like, I personally love CSS. I love doing all the little visual tweaking and, like, rounding the borders and, like, putting some drop shadow on and just, I don't know, even positioning things is fun to me. But like, I'm just curious, do other people enjoy that, or is it just solely me and like everybody else is like miserable when they're doing that? I don't know. 7, okay, 7. That's a good number. So you're kind of into it. You're fairly into it actually. You're like definitely over 50% into it. So cool, good to know. That Stevoid 1990 is 7. I'm gonna try and refresh this a little bit more often so that people can actually see what's up. 5, okay, so we got a 5 in the house. It's fun to play with, but in general, I prefer doing the actual coding, leaving the display to others. Okay. The actual coding. I think display coding is still actual coding, but I get what you're saying though, the functional stuff, right? Okay. Is there anything else left to do on that? I can't remember. I don't think so. No, there wasn't. Oh, actually, I do just want to kind of test the wrapping, though. So let's just throw one more button in here, and we'll just say this one can be... I have no idea. What's another social media? I don't know. Like LinkedIn, but I don't know if LinkedIn really fits with the vibe on my site. Even though I think I have it on here already. I'm pretty sure. I do have LinkedIn, look at that, right there. Okay, well, yeah, LinkedIn, they've probably got a generic share thing, don't they? LinkedIn.com, no, what am I doing? LinkedIn share URL, getting sucked into their website. Share on LinkedIn. Oh, you know what? There was a Stack Overflow answer. That's just going to be easier. LinkedIn share post UR. Oh, cool. From the LinkedIn developer docs. Cool. If I actually... Whoa, there's a lot. It's a big URL. Why is it big? Guess we're going to find out. That's such a... I don't know why I have to move over to my recording screen to make it actually update any of the things. That's a bummer. So that just means it was probably just showing like the same chat for like most of the stream. I'm sorry, guys. Guys, not people, folk. I'm sorry, folks. Folks, that's a good word. Sure, so LinkedIn, whatever, fine, why not? LinkedIn. Oh, that is cool. Whoa, the graphics are really good too. And that's 360?
What am I doing? I'm bad.
Wow. My friend is playing...
Assassin's Creed Black Flag.
Thank you. He's playing Assassin's Creed Black Flag, if you didn't hear that. And... Huh. Yeah, that looks sick. I would show you, but I'm kind of attached to many wires. Or my laptop is. Okay. Let's just keep this open for good measure. Oh no, don't do it. No one needs to see the video. Don't worry about it. Okay. Ready. Boop, boop, there, LinkedIn. Look at that. So cool. Oh, right. Now let's just test how it wraps, because that's the important part. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. Even that's all right. Like, even if it was like that size, it would be kind of cool. Which on my phone, it probably would be. Yeah, it definitely would be. 500 pixels? Damn. It's a wide phone that's going to show them in a row. I almost want to make them a little bit smaller. No, okay, stop. You're just getting right down a CSS rabbit hole. Okay, let's just finish making this LinkedIn post share, blah, 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 and we'll be on our way. So we're 1 hour and 36 minutes into this stream. Wow. You guys have really stuck with it too. Thank you very much. All right. So we need a new case for LinkedIn. Did I actually write it in the attribute? I sure did. On it. Ah, hurt. Whoa. Goodness gracious. There's got to be a simpler thing than this. Okay, I'm just gonna try and delete all of them except for the URL and see if it works. URL equals plus share URL. This is like the lazy way to do it. I might come back here in the future and actually add messages to the platforms that support them. Cough, Facebook. Why don't you support them, Facebook? Be like the easiest thing to implement too. Like, why would you? Gotta be a little careful that you're not like injecting any SQL or anything, but like, gotta do that for every get variable. This is no different. No excuse. I want to look at this mode for a while. Okay, LinkedIn. Let's check it out. Share article mini, blah blah blah, and look, there's a link. Share in a post, send as a private message, and look, theirs is actually mobile responsive, so it'll work on a phone. That's awesome. That's what Facebook needs to have. Facebook is living in the 90s. Or, well, not the 90s. That's a bit harsh. The Facebook is living in the early 2000s. How about? Anyways, cool. So they all work. Tumblr. Well, I think they all work. I have to log in and confirm a couple of them, but... Oh, whoops. Did Twitter just take me to Tumblr? Yes, it did. Okay, Tumblr takes me to Tumblr, but Twitter also takes me to Tumblr. Darn. Oh, probably don't have a break. Yep. Cool. Cool. That should be good now. I'm ready. Let's do this. Boop, beep, promotion. And there's Twitter. You must log in to do that. Facebook. I did log in. I gotta change my password now because I showed you the number of characters that my password is, even though it's longish. Good Lord. Oh, nothing like cold coffee. It is the best. All coffee is the best. Anyways, what else did I want to do today? I think that was it, actually. So finish, back to the notes, back to the drawing board. Finish the remainder of the quiz system for the landing page. All that's left is fixing the transition to the final panel and creating the share functionalities for each role. Well, we're not doing each role anymore, but the share functionality works, so that's basically done. And then fix the transition from the final panel. Yeah, that's a bummer. I'm not sure if any of you were with us at the beginning. I demonstrated this bug right at the start, but to go back to it, I'm gonna have to speed test our unoverclock our quiz. Just take it down a notch. And I don't remember exactly how I did that, but I know I left a to-do comment somewhere. This is why this is always useful. There you go. Remove the chosen role set. And right here, that's the other part. Bam, ba-bam. And actually, you know what? I'm not going to delete that chosen role. I'm just going to comment it because that is quite useful to be able to jump right to the end of the quiz if need be without actually answering any of the questions. All right. So how are we going to do this? Maybe, yeah, we can do the same thing actually. So leave the chosen role, but this time instead of completing the quiz, we're going to do show random quote and subscription. Looks like I already did it. Lol. All right. Cool. I also did just say lol on camera. That's a bummer. Whew. All right. Find your aptitude. I'm ready. Let's do it. And we can do so little together. We can do so much. All about that cheese life. Anyways, that worked, except for the updating this totally didn't, but that doesn't really need to. This is not the problem. Bob. No. Snoop D O double. Oh, wait, actually. Snoop D O double G. S dog at .ca. I was gonna try and think of something funny, but I couldn't. Here's something funny. I think I did this before, but whatever, we're doing it again. His birthday is the same as, oops, Hitler's. And also something else. Haha. Anyways, bam. Oh, that didn't actually look too bad. It might have just went a little too fast for me though, so time to get hacky because I don't feel like answering that whole test every single time. Not that I did. Man, I'm bad. Okay, so I'm going to take that off of there and replace done with active. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, but it's already done its thing, and now I guess the only way to test it is just to remove active. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, watch for the jank. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it kind of collapsed or something, almost. Let's just look for any styles that are depending on being active. So, I mean, again, for those of you who aren't super into CSS, this is another CSS problem, so I do apologize, but it's really the last, it is kind of the last part of this quiz. Yeah, that's it. This quiz is pretty much done after that. It works, it serves its purpose. Anyways, let's look for, oops, so this one, we need these properties back over here. So, oh, data quiz active, visible. Uh-oh. Oh, no, that's just stuff it's inheriting. Sorry, I'm silly. Oops. So all these role lists. Oh, data quiz panel, data quiz active. Overflow, max height, 100%. Oh, it's because I'm enforcing a max height on it, I think, maybe. Let's just see what that does. Oops, not that. That. Yeah, that's what's crushing it. It's because of the max height. But I definitely need that for other stuff in the quiz, so I cannot just rip that out. What are we gonna do? Can you put a transition on max height? Oh, I already did. Great, and it doesn't seem to want to work. I could like do it in stages, but that'd be a lot of work. This might be a more annoying CSS bug than I was anticipating. Oh, the arrow gets like shot right up here. That's weird. So that's still got, and that's like that, but it doesn't matter because the height is 100%. The min height is 100%. Max height is, oh, 0. That's why, because max height is 0, so this whole div is nothing, basic. No, it is. This is very confusing. Well, 1 hour and 46 minutes in. If I can cream this in 14 minutes, that'll be a 2-hour stream for y'all. It is 11:15. Not that bad. It's still not that late. I'm amazed. It feels later. I guess that's probably because I am silly and I don't sleep enough. But anyways. So that's definitely not what we want. Min height 100%. Because if... Oh, I see. So max and min height are kind of clashing. That's why there's a height. So it is actually 100%. But that's the max it'll be because it... I don't know. They're... Two forces of nature are conflicting, but they're not nature, they're CSS. Max height, I don't know, this is tough. Max height, what could I do? There's none, so max height is 0 is what's throwing it off, so if I do that and max height, just get rid of it completely. So then it's fine, but all the other panels are going to be messed up for sure. It's going to have that scrolling bug again, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'm just going to try and comment this out, see what happens. Landing CSS, line 564. Okay, so landing 564. So max height, no more. So first of all, let's just test it and see if it actually fixes the problem, because if it doesn't fix the problem, then it's moot and we shouldn't even be testing it. But if it does fix the problem, it's worth a revisit. Okay. So now I gotta enter something every time, and it's gotta be different because it's actually talking to a server. That's annoying. Not my server, but a server. It's the MailChimp server, if you must know. It's for a mailing list. Let's see. Oh, sorry, my hand is itchy. Get my cream back on in a minute. Gandalf. Duh. Gray. Dalf at gmail.dalf. Sure. Yep, so that does solve it. Darn. Okay. That does solve the problem. So now that means I gotta actually... Yeah, shoot. Okay. Keep getting surprised by the email that I get from MailChimp when someone subscribes, because the only people who subscribe are me, because it's only in testing. It's all top secret and beta. But yeah, I keep getting surprised by the email, and then I read it and I'm like, oh right, I just did that. Okay, disregard the intense cream putting on. My hands are just way dry. Way dry. Okay, back to business. Doop, find that, do that. Barack says that. I should put like some funny quotes in, that'd be better. Okay. Didn't I just test this? Yeah, it works. Okay, so it does work, but now we have to put things back to normal so that... Does it activate random unanswered? Yeah, of course it is. Okay. So now we're actually going to do the real quiz because I need to do some things and some stuff, and what are we going to do? Continue without a roll? Sure. Yeah, open source sounds cool. And Mr. Henry Ford would like to make an announcement from the grave. Okay. Oh, I didn't even test what I was supposed to be testing. Jeez, guys. I'm sorry. I'm bad. Okay. And yes, you can scroll way down. So that's the problem that was fixing. Put that on, and now suddenly you can't scroll. Turn it off. Scroll. Overflow hidden. Oh, I guess it would have to be. Happens if I put visible. Then, and max height and visible. Interesting. You can't scroll, but perhaps it won't. Oh, this might be the answer, you guys. We might have figured it out. Okay, let's get to the final ants, the whatever, the end. Sounds good. Do it. Get it. Oh, I should be playing music on these streams. Sorry, viewers, I am going to play a little bit of music for myself, but I will figure out a way to actually have music on these so that you're not just listening to my crackly old voice. Got like some tunes to go with it. Alright. Oops. Although, just a heads up, I am posting these streams on YouTube later after I upload them and edit them and export them, which takes a million years because I'm slow. But once they get on YouTube, they will have background music and it'll be quiet so you can still hear what's going on, but it'll be nice. And also a little recorded intro just to explain what's going on in the stream. Not really important, but if you want, you can check out past streams, or if you miss one, or just whatever. If you just want to watch a long video with some guy just writing code and doing stuff, then it's all there for you. Alright, anyways, enough rambling. Let's test this thing. Okay, so you can scroll. That's good. Oh, obviously, because it's active, so it's going to be different. Yeah, okay. I gotcha. Oh, although overflow, don't have to change anymore because it's already visible. So I think that's the answer. It's got to be. So I'll just put my own name this time. Kirk at not a real email address at all not in a million years.ca. And you know what? This is my actual birthday. Now you know. Subscribed and jank! It still went jank. Why did it go jank? Oh, well, that's disappointing. I really thought we had solved it. And it would have been under 2 hours too. Anyway. Okay, so let's just hack test that back. Oops, not done. We don't care about that. We care about that. Active. We want to put that there, reconnect the dots, and suddenly we have a subscription panel again. Now, visibility hidden. So yeah, visibility hidden and opacity 1 shouldn't do nothing to the size of the thing. Max height, none, going to max height 0. Ah, yeah, that will though, won't it? That's just the problem right there. It's the max height, it's not the overflow. Ugh. I don't know, guys. It might just have to be jank for a while, in all honesty. I can't. The CSS is just getting out of hand. It's getting like every line has something important it's doing, which I guess is true of most code, hopefully, generally speaking, but you know, it's makes it a little trickier when there's I don't know, it's just, this is tricky. That's what I'm trying to say, really. So how about we disconnect that and that. So max height's not even in the picture anymore. But then that's just going to cause those scrolling issues again on the other panels. You know what? This is a great moment. Hold on. Okay, viewers, I have another question for you. I'm going to stop looking at my phone. Viewers, I have another question for you. So I have to describe 2 bugs to you, and you guys have to tell me which one you think is worse. So number 1, we've got these question panels, right? If you scroll on them, they go way down, and it's just nothing. I could probably put something down here and be like, this is a bug, sorry. But basically that's it. That's one of the bugs, is that you can scroll way down. It's that, or let's just get through this whole quiz real quick. None of the above, 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 none of the above party. Continue without a role. Open source sounds good. Ugh. Oh, the cheese. Melted cheese. Anyways, okay. Boom, 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 boom. So then that was bug number 1, was that you could scroll way down on the questions. Bug number 2 is right here. So when I submit this, oops, that's not going to work. It does actually have validation. Okay. That split second where it kind of crunched together, that's the other problem. I can show it a little bit more clearly. But yeah, basically, which do you guys think is worse? Do you think being able to scroll way down on a question with nothing there, except I could put like a little character down there as like an Easter egg or something, but that would be about it. That, or this crunchy transition that I got going on right here. Not this transition, that's working good. But this, when we go like that, see that? That crunch? See how all the elements kind of together? Squish. That was quite long-winded, but if anybody got all of that, whichever you think is, tell me which one you think is worse. Because it's kind of one or the other at this point. I don't know. I'm sure there's always a solution. There's always a solution that'll work with both of them, but I just haven't found it yet. So in the meantime, I gotta choose one. If anyone caught that. Update that chat because it's been a while. That's dumb that it doesn't run in the background. I'm tilted about that. Anyways. Well, you know what? We're almost 2 hours on the dot. I think I'm gonna have to give it up on that one for today. That was still pretty good progress. You know, got like a legit quiz that works and you can go through it and it gives you different results based on what your answers are. It's good, it's solid. There's a lot there. So I'm feeling pretty good leaving it there for now. I could release that as a almost not beta, maybe. Yeah, I think so. I could release that as an almost not beta. Anyways, that's not the point. We are now 2 hours on the dot. And so I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. Thanks very much for tuning in. I was totally not expecting to have 5 viewers. That was awesome. You guys stuck with it, and I really appreciate that. I appreciate all y'all. I'm going to write in the chat too, just in case you don't have audio. I appreciate, not apricot, appreciate all y'all. My phone really does not know how to spell y'all. There we go. Thanks for tuning in and all your feedback. Cool. All right, guys. Have a good night. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night.